Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the recovery tank drain hose. Found a crack in it, maybe there's a hole and there's a leak. First, make sure that your recovery tank is empty. Now, you have to take and loosen this hose clamp. Get your flathead screwdriver, loosen it up, and remove the hose. Now, take that hose clamp off and just feed it through, just like that. Now, go ahead and remove it from the clamp, just like that. Get your new hose. Go ahead and either clamp it back on. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just like having my hands free, and then feed it back through inside your battery compartment. Now all we have to do is take the hose clamp, place that back on there, reattach that end to the recovery tank, and tighten the hose clamp back down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.